Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. Obviously today I have to talk about Apple. Why? Well, because of the earnings. I'm getting like literally, I think I got like 100 messages, people asking me about Apple. I can tell you with subscribers, there is a potential trade that we're eyeing at the moment. So I'll quickly go through and sort of walk you through what's going on here. But basically on Apple, really the 200-day moving average is a very important thing to watch. It's this red line here that you can see. It acted as a very nice support until it broke through it in a very powerful way in November 2012, and then basically after it punched back above it in August 2013, so last year, it more or less has held as support. Okay, last time it came down to support, it was just last week. Okay, Tuesday, April 14th. So basically, with today's jump, stock's up about 8% or so today so far as I do this video. You can see what's happening. Okay, so very clearly, stock is doing one of these gap and run days today, or at least so far. I think the move is very strong. I think the move is very strong. Mostly, the earnings aspect is one thing, but the company's essentially now morphed into more of a real big sort of large mega cap kind of Dow type component sort of corporation with doing buybacks and dividend hikes and all those things that are really more of something that a big corporation does rather than a tech company. So you have a whole bunch of new people that might be interested in the stock. So I do think stocks can go higher into the $600 area. But from a technical point of view, which is really my focus here, note the very clear, you can see the hammer candle here on the 15th of April, follow through buying a couple days later, and then again, pushing past this resistance, diagonal resistance line dating back to last December. At the same time, stock's also pushing back above its 50 and 100-day moving averages, and it's finally putting some distance between itself and those moving averages. So, for all intents and purposes, I do think the stock's going to go higher. Personally, I would like to see the stock give us a little bit of consolidation here for a couple of days, maybe even a couple of weeks. That's what I'd like to see. I'm not saying it's going to happen. If it does that, I think then it has a better base, okay, a better base to then sort of move higher from. So if you can sort of do something here, base here, and then push past the December 2013 highs, which are an intraday basis somewhere near 575, and I think then the stock can move into $600. So that's what I'm looking at. If you got any questions, as always, or want to subscribe to get real-time trade alerts and make money along with me and my subscribers, you can go to thesteadytrader.com and look at the trade alert service there. Otherwise, you can, if you got any questions, hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader. Take care.